our life, social media, and how it benefits our families, workers, and even the government. Social media has become an integral part of modern life, profoundly impacting how we communicate, share information, and build relationships. Its influence extends beyond personal connections, playing a significant role in how families, workers, and government operate, especially during challenging times like calamity. First, let's start with families. Social media helps keeps families connected no matter how far apart they are. Whether parents work overseas or children study in other cities, platforms like Facebook, Messenger, or WhatsApp make it easy to communicate through calls, messages, even video chats. It helps maintain a strong relationships despite the distance. Plus, families can share updates, photos, and important events, making everyone feel involved in each other's life. Next, for workers and businesses, social media plays a crucial role in networking and promoting skills. Platforms like LinkedIn allow professionals to showcase their expertise, find job opportunities, and connect with other people in their industry. Small business owners, on the other hand, can promote their product or services through Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, reaching thousands of customers without spending too much on traditional advertisements. This helps businesses grow faster and create more jobs. Finally, the government benefits from social media by using it as a tool to reach the public quickly and efficiently. In times of crisis, like natural disaster, agencies can provide real-time updates, warnings, and safety information. Social media also allows people to voice their concerns and ideas directly to leaders, promoting transparency and a more responsive government. In conclusion, social media has transformed how we interact with the world, offering numerous benefits for families, workers, and governments. While challenges exist, its potential to connect people, share information, and foster collaboration remains significant, especially